Hello everybody, it's Joe, and this is a special unboxing, not for me, but for my mom. My mom wanted me to take a video of her unboxing the new hairdryer.
You offered.
Yay! And her other one broke. I can show you it in the garbage.
I actually took out the garbage already, so.
Oh, she took out the garbage. Okay. Well, I'm not going to take this camera to a dumpster. Okay, so here's the unboxing.
Oh,
we got little hairbands. We got
the diffuser. Oh my goodness, that looks kind of deadly. Yeah.
It looks like a scratcher.
Oh, here's another diffuser.
And then a tinier one that connects to the thing. Here, see that? It goes like that. Also, the one that goes like that. So, yeah. And here is the actual thing. The hairdryer.
Oh, it looks kind of copper. Cool.
Yeah. It looks gold or orange. You know they had a purple one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yes.
This was $30, so it better be good.
$30. $30. And right now, I'm recording. Well, I'm not recording, but I just finished trying to. I mean, I'm not done yet, but I'm busy uploading my Agario video right here. So you'll be seeing that in previously, of course. And so look at that! It's so loud! You like it? She's gonna blow her hair, but I'm gonna end the episode. Blow the camera away.
Goodbye.